It's been projected that the creator economy is expected to become a nearly $500 billion industry by 2027, nearly doubling from its estimated $250 billion valuation in 2022. So maybe you've been thinking, I want to make money online. I want to tap into this whole creator economy thing, but I don't really want to be an influencer, or I don't even want to be on camera at all. The truth is, you do not need a following. You don't need to go viral. You don't even need to post publicly if you don't want to. I'm going to be breaking down 5 different service-based content creator side hustles that you can start even if you're not the one creating the content or if you're creating it behind the scenes. There are people right now all across the world, literally today, getting paid to help creators, influencers, brands, and small businesses with content-related services that don't put them in the spotlight, and I know from experience because I'm one of them. Some of these are perfect if you're already creative. Some of them you can learn in a few weeks as well, and all of them can help you build skills that are in demand right now. So let's get into it. Number 1 is affiliate curation, getting paid to share your favorite products with no audience required. Between platforms like Amazon Influencer, Binnable, or Flip, you can literally earn commissions just by sharing products you already love. Here's exactly how it works. For Amazon Influencer, you can film short video reviews of something you already own, upload it straight to Amazon's product page, and if someone watches your video and buys, you get paid a commission. You even get a commission if someone watched your video but then bought a totally different product than the product that your video was promoting. To become an Amazon influencer, you do have to get accepted, and the word influencer sometimes scares people away from applying at all because they think they have to have a huge number of followers. But I've actually seen that not to be the case with my recent Paid Content Creator Academy students who actually got in within just a few weeks of building entirely new Instagram or TikTok accounts. They posted just a few times a day and created engagement within their profiles. One that does not require a following at all, or even having social media at all though, is Binnable. This is a platform that I just recently discovered myself a few weeks ago, but it's a platform that lets you build a curated list of your favorite products, places, and recommendations, and you earn a commission every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. There are no videos required in this platform as of right now, and they have an easy Chrome extension where you can actually go to different product pages from their massive list of over 35,000 brand partners and simply click the Chrome extension, write your text review about the item, and potentially get paid. I personally love Binnable because you can literally apply and get accepted without an audience at all. But if you're an Amazon influencer, you can also push your Amazon products that you've already reviewed on your storefront through Binnable. So they're getting double the exposure and potentially double the money for you. Another platform is Flip. I don't personally like this one as much myself, but I did make some money on it with only posting like 4 videos. It's kind of like TikTok Shop meets Amazon. You record short video reviews, you upload them to the app, and earn commission when people buy through your video. They have flips and clips, which are 2 separate types of videos. Flips are review videos uploaded after you purchase and receive a product directly from Flip themselves. Clips are just normal videos that you can get paid through views for. It's an interesting platform, and I have seen a lot of people making money from it, but it personally wasn't worth my time. But it might be for you. And if you're like, okay, cool, but how do I actually start any of these? I've actually got step-by-step videos on both the Amazon Influencer and Binnable, so you can check those out when you finish this one. I will link them in the description of this video for you. Moving on to side hustle number 2 is branding and design services for creators. You know those creators or influencers whose whole online presence just looks put together? Like their Instagram profile pic matches their website, their Canva templates, their sales pages, their Facebook banners. Here's an example of mine. That's not an accident. That's intentional branding. You could be the person helping them create that. If you're good at design, or even if you're just good with Canva, you could start offering branding and design packages for content creators, influencers, small businesses, or personal brands. Here's what this could look like. You could create brand guides with their colors, fonts, logos, design elements, photo filters, etc. You could also build simple sales pages or landing pages using Canva sites, Wix, or Squarespace for those creators. You could also make media kits or sponsorship portfolios for influencers and UGC creators as well. And if you're thinking like, I don't have the skills to do something like this, you do not have to be a professional graphic designer to make this work. You just need an eye for what looks cohesive, and you can literally build your own portfolio by making a mock brand for yourself or a friend. Once you've got some samples, you can start pitching to creators who clearly need a branding refresh, or just post in creator Facebook groups offering your service. Number 3 is become a content agent or manager. Let's talk about something that nobody is really teaching right now, but is a super valuable skill. You can literally make money managing creators without ever creating content yourself. Think of it like being a content agent. You help creators get brand deals by pitching them to brands, or you help brands find and manage creators to create content for them. This is actually a pretty significant amount of my personal full-time content creator income. And so many people do this behind the scenes. They're not the ones who like being in front of the camera. So you guys aren't learning about this lucrative income stream because they're not making videos talking about it. But the gist is pretty simple. You're the middleman, the connector, and that role is so needed right now, especially as the creator economy continues to grow year over year. More creators are needing assistance landing gigs, and more brands are needing more creators. You can build a roster of creators and help brands source people for campaigns and charge a fee for managing them. Or you can work directly with the creators to help them negotiate deals, pitch brands, and manage deliverables and take a percentage of the deals you land. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Brands are looking for creators every single day, and creators are always overwhelmed trying to land deals or send cold pitches by the hundreds every month. So if you're organized and good at communication, this could be your lane. You don't have to be the talent to build a business in the creator economy. Sometimes the people behind the scenes are the ones making the most consistent income. So far in this video, we've been talking a lot about social media marketing creators. But what if you don't really want to do social media content at all? Then you can get into freelance content creation, making content for brands without actually ever posting it yourself. Brands will literally pay you to make content for them and their marketing campaigns instead. We're talking user-generated content creators, which could be videos or photos for ads, product demos, tutorials, etc. You could also edit raw footage from other creators into high-converting ads or social posts for brands. You could also do graphic design for static ads, infographics, Amazon carousel image, Pinterest pins, Facebook graphics, the list goes on and on. And you do not have to post any of these to your own social media accounts. You don't even have to have social media if you don't want. You're just creating and handing over the files. If you love making videos, make UGC. If you hate being on camera, offer editing or graphic design instead. For this, you can start small and build a sample portfolio of 3 to 5 pieces you want to get hired for. Then just go on Upwork, Fiverr, or pitch directly to brands looking for this type of content. And if you guys want to learn exactly how to become a highly paid UGC creator in 6 weeks or less, I actually launched this video that will walk you through it step by step. I'm going to link that in the description for you guys as well, so you can hop over there next. Moving on to more behind the scenes ideas. Number 5 is funnel and offer consultation, helping creators and brands monetize their audience. A lot of creators have the audience, but they don't know what to do with it. They might be landing sponsored brand deals sometimes, but they're not monetizing their audience in any other way. They have no clear offer nor funnel for their own personal brand. They just keep helping other brands and companies make more money off of their audience. So if you're good at strategizing, if you've studied marketing, or even if you've just been paying attention to what other creators are selling and how they're selling it, you can start offering consulting and done-for-you funnel building. You can help with things like mapping out their offer ladder from freebie to low ticket to high ticket. You can help with building simple sales funnels in platforms like Standstore, Thrivecart, Kajabi. Or you can even just write copy for their landing pages, email sequences, or DM pitches. I have personally paid 3 different freelancers to do these things for me in my business in the past, and one of them I even paid over $1,500 a month for 8 high converting emails. And on the other side, I have also been the person who has consulted with over 80 creators on how to monetize their audiences strategically. I've personally helped generate over 120 grand for the creator economy over the past year by simply helping these creators build an actual business for themselves based around their content. It helps the creator build an actual business off of their audience, but also helps the global gig economy by giving the upfront work to people who are the experts at strategizing. So many creators don't know how to turn their followers into customers, so if you can figure that out, you can literally sell that skill over and over. Here's what I want you guys to take away from this list. You do not have to be an influencer to make money in the ever-growing creator economy. You don't even have to go viral. You don't even have to be in front of the camera at all. There are so many ways to use the skills you already have, or skills that you could learn in just a few weeks, to start a side hustle that actually feels aligned with you and what you love doing. So let me know in the comments, which one of these stood out to you? Which one do you think you could start with first? And if you're ready to dive deeper into our first one from the list, making money through the Amazon Influencer Program, I've actually created a video that goes over the 7 out-of-the-box things that I did to make $5,000 in my first 7 months. It's linked right here, so I'll see you guys in that one next.